Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tech. Today we will be discussing how to view your watch history on YouTube TV. Have you ever wanted to rewatch something you saw recently on YouTube TV but couldn't remember the name? Or maybe you're just curious about what you've been watching lately. Well, in this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to access your YouTube TV watch history. Before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more tech tips and tutorials. Okay, let's get started. There are a couple of ways to access your watch history depending on whether you're using the YouTube TV app or accessing it through a web browser. First, let's look at how to do it on the YouTube TV app, which is pretty much the same whether you're using a phone, tablet, or smart TV. Step 1. Open the YouTube TV app. Obviously, the first thing you need to do is launch the YouTube TV app on your device. Step 2. Navigate to your profile. Look for your profile icon, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it. Step 3. Access Settings. In the menu that appears, find and select Settings. Step 4. Find Privacy. Within the Settings menu, locate and tap Privacy. Step 5. View Watch History. Here you'll see Watch History. Tap on that to see everything you've recently watched on YouTube TV. Alright, now let's see how to do this through a web browser on your computer. Step 1. Open YouTube TV in a browser. Go to tvyoutube.com in your web browser. Step 2. Sign in, if necessary. Make sure you're signed in to the Google account you use for YouTube TV. Step 3. Click your profile picture. Look for your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen and click on it. Step 4. Select Settings. In the drop-down menu, choose Settings. Step 5. Navigate to Privacy. Just like on the app, within the Settings menu, find and click on Privacy. Step 6. View Watch History. And again you'll see Watch History. Click on that to access your recently watched programs. And that's it. Now you know how to easily view your watch history on YouTube TV, both on the app and through a web browser. This can be super helpful for finding shows you enjoyed or remembering what you've already seen. Don't forget, you can also remove individual items from your watch history if you want to. Just look for the X or next to each video in the history and select the option to remove it. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a like and subscribe to Rome Tech for more helpful tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.